Hello guys, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are having a blessed day. If this is the first time coming to my YouTube page, I want you to click the subscribe button right there. Let's head on to today's topic. So today we're going to be talking on how we're going to be able to swing trade on crash and bull markets. How is it possible for you to be able to swing trade on crash and bull markets? It's very possible for you to swing trade on crash and bull. Let's go into the chart right now. Let's see. So let's go into boom 500, right? So looking at this market right now, before you get into um swing trading, you have to look at the measure what time frame. You can't just get into trading and you say you just want to hold trade for long. No, you need to understand if the market is going into that direction on a higher time frame. Because when it comes to trading, you need to know the bigger picture. You need to see what the bigger investors are doing when it comes to trading. For you to know what the bigger investors are doing, the bigger traders are doing, you have to look at what they are doing. And the only way you can do that is when you're looking at the higher time frame. So before you can look at the higher time frame and know where the market is heading to, you have to check on your 1 week time frame. Do you get your 1 week time frame? You can check on your 1 week, right? And you can also check on your 24 hours time frame. So going over to your 24 hours time frame, let me just remove all this. Okay, going on to your 24 hours time frame. This derive, so you have to use your 24 hours time frame to start your analysis. Now, what's the difference between swing trading and scalping and a long-term trader? There are three major trading um, abilities out there, all right, and there are three major traders out there, all right. You will have the long-term trader, we'll have the swing trader, and we'll have the scalper, which is the day trader. You get the long-term trader is the trader who holds trades for months. You get, and the swing trader is a trader who trades for days, and a day trader who is also a scalper, he trades within his 24 hours. You get, so any trade is making in that 24 hours, it stays with that 24 hours. It doesn't cross over to the next day. So when it comes to swing trading, let's just say it's highly profitable. You get, when you swing trade, you have more opportunity in grabbing more pips and making more profit in the market, because you're in the market, you're not going off and coming in, going off and coming in. You're in one position in the market, and if the market tends to go to that direction for a long period of time, you're able to gather a lot of profits. So let's go into how we can be able to trade with swing trading. So the first thing you have to do is to look at the direction of the market. Now, looking at this 24 hours time frame, you can see the market is on a sweep down momentum, right? And we have been on this market for weeks, and what we'll be looking for is just sell, right? Because the market has been on a downtrend. 500 be on a downtrend. So I don't think anyone should be looking for buy when this market is on a downtrend. So it has been over on a downtrend for like 2 months now, and what we have all been doing is sell, 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 sell. So what makes us understand that this market is on a down sweet trend? We're able to swing this trade. I was currently able to swing this trade on the sell because the market was in a down trend. Now, looking at this now, I was able to pick at the two highest levels on this daily time frame. So I believe the market was making series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. You can see the market is heading downwards. Do you get? And I picked out the two major top, and this is the third one. I don't want to press down the line too down because it's all zones, they are all area. Even though it doesn't touch the tip, you have picked out the major one, and it's reacting to that. That's what brought down this sell. So I already know the direction of the market, and I believe this support level was a good trend. All right, so that's why I picked it out for a trend, and I believe the market is heading over here. So we're off. I'm off this trade right now. Currently off the trade right now. That's why I can do a video on it because I believe it has headed to the support level, and from there, I don't know if the market is going to break down more further or it's going to go back up. So if you go over to your lower time frame, your 4 hours time frame, you'll be able to see that when the market came down for some period. The market has been coming down for some period, and you can see all the resistance that it's here. Okay, I think the line vanished because it was in a daily time frame, and when I came over here, it's vanished. So let's just pick it out. All right, what happened? Okay, all right. Um, So the best place for us to enter a market for a sell is what? Resistance. Do you get? The best place to enter the market for a sell is resistance. All this I'm showing you now is just few tips that can help you in trading. Do you understand? Can help you. It's not the main strategy I do use, but these are some tips that do I do implement while trading, and some things that helps when trading. All right. So I just want to give you some few tips in how you can swing trades so that when you are swinging your trades, you can be making profit. All right. So you can watch more videos and all of that to get yourself more advanced when it comes to swing trading. Now, the best place for you to swing trade is always at the resistance, and you have to make sure the market is on a high what? On a high probability, on a high volatility, sorry, on a high volatility. You have to pick the market on its impulse move, all right? You have to pick it when it's moving in a massive direction. And seeing this market over here, the market has made some levels, all right? The best place for you to get into the market was the resistance here, or resistance here. Or if you was not able to get into the market at that spot, you would have waited for the market to what? Break out. And when the market broke out from this level, you can as well sell here, hold your trade over to here. If you want to hold it more further, you hold it more further. Now, when I got into the trade, I got into this trade here because I was seeing I was expecting the market to get up to this I was expecting the market coming. I was expecting the market to get up to this my major zone here. All right. I was expecting the market to get here, but it did not. It retested here, and if you go to the lesser time frame, you saw it did something like a double top here. So that was what triggered my analysis on getting into the trade, because I knew it was a downtrend and it was going to what? Sell or down. So we hold this trade for a long period of time, and when we saw the profits we want to get in, we close and we were done. I don't care if it keeps on selling or it's it's just okay that you were able to grab on the opportunity, and you were able to make some cool cash for you to be satisfied. All right, you can't force yourself in the market. You understand? The market doesn't finish. There is always opportunity for you to make more money. So if I zoom more in, you see the double top I was talking about. These two level on the bigger time frame is much more clearer. On the bigger time frame, it's much more clearer. So you can see it's a major level, one head here and another one here. All right. So that was what triggered my sell. And the market, if you wanted to wait for the market to break out, you would have entered at the what breakout. So I hope this helped you. All right. If this is the first time I'm coming to my YouTube channel again, please hit the subscribe button. Don't mind me for rubbing off my nose. Take good care of yourself. Stay blessed, guys. Stay blessed.